So good evening children. Today I am going to teach exercise 14.2. In the first question itself we need to find mean and mode of the given data. So here the first highest frequency is 23. 23 can be taken as highest frequency. The corresponding value is the model class 35 to 45. So maximum number of patients joined in the age group is 35 to 45. So it is can be taken as a model class. So least value can be taken as a lower boundary, and the difference 35 minus 40 or 45 minus 35 will get 10. 10 is the class size. Frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 23, which is the highest frequency of the given data. So it is a preceding class of the model class. This is a succeeding class of the model class. It can be taken as F2, it can be taken as F1, F0. So this is F1, this is F0, this is F2. So the data is as follows. So I am taking normal mean method in order to taking step deviation method or assumed mean method. It is tedious job in calculating like this. Why? Because we need to calculate mode also. So I need take a normal mode method, normal mean method. So class interval, number of patients, x of I means lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. So 5 plus 15, 20, 20 by 2, 10, 10 into 6, 60, 15 plus 25, 40, 40 by 2, 20, 20 into 11, 220, 25, 35, 60, 60 by 2, 30, 30 into 21, 630, 35 to 45, 35, 45, 80, 80 by 2, 40, 40 into 23, 920, 45, 55, we'll get 100, 100 by 2, 50, 50 into 14, 700, 55 plus 65, we'll get 120, 120 by 2 is equal to 60, 60 into 5, 300. So we'll get the final value sigma f of I is equal to 80, sigma f of I x of I is equal to 2830. So now calculating the mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I am substituting the value. So 23 minus 21 will get 2. 2 into 23, 46. So 46 minus 35 will get 35 plus 20. 2 into 10, 20. 20 by 11. So 20 by 11 will get 1.81. So 35 plus 1.81 is equal to 36.81. So mean is equal to x bar by sigma f of I x of I. So 2830 by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. So 283 divided by 8. So 35.37 times. So 35.37. Now the interpretation of the data. So maximum number of patients are admitted in the hospital are of the age group 36.8 years, while on the average age of patients admitted in the hospital is 35.37 years. Hence the mean is less than mode. The first one is mode and second one is the mean. So mean is less than the mode. So this is another second model of the exercise. The second question. Here we need to calculate mean only. Mode only. So the table is like this. Only frequency, class interval and frequency. So highest value can be taken as f1, preceding class f0, succeeding class f2. So f1 corresponding class can be taken as mode class or model class. So 60 is the lower boundary, difference is h is equal to 20. So I am writing like this. So maximum number of frequency 61. So model class f1 is equal to 61, f0 is equal to 52, f2 is equal to 38, and lower boundary is 60 and h is 20. So now substituting the values. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into 20. So 61 minus 52, I'll get 9. So 6 into 6, 2 into 61, 122. 122 minus 19, I'll get 32. So 4 table cancels 8 times, 4 table cancels 5 times. 9 5s are 45 by 8. So 45 is divisible by 8, 5.625 times. I'll get the final answer 60 plus 5.625 is equal to 65.625 hours is the final answer, which is the mode of the given data. So 5-6 questions are same model as we discussed in the previous question. Now the third question. So here asked is mean monthly expenditure. So we need to find the mean and mode of the given data. I am taking another model. So 1000 plus 1500 will get 2500 divided by 2, 1250. So here we are having highest frequency is 40. So I am taking 1715 as A. So 1250 minus 1750 will get 1500. 500 minus 500. 500 into 24 I'll get minus 12,000. So second one 1500 plus 2000, 3500. I'll get 1750. 1750 minus 1750, 0. 0 into 40 will get 0. So we'll get 4500, we'll get 2250, we'll get 500. So 35 into 500, 16,500. We'll get 5500 divided by 2. So 2750. So we'll get 1000. 28 into 1000, 28,000. So we'll get 6500. We'll get 3250. We'll get the value 1500. 30 into 1500, 45,000. We'll get sum 7500. 3750 minus 1750. We'll get 2000. 22 into 2000, 44,000. So rest of the thing follows like this. We'll get sigma f of I is equal to 200. Sigma f of I d of I is equal to 1,82,500. So I am taking the another model. X bar is equal to A plus sigma f of I d of I, where sigma A is equal to 1750. We'll get 1,82,500 by 200. Zeros can be cancelled. We'll get 1825 by 2. So 1825 is divisible by 2. I'll get 912.5. So I'm writing. So 1750 plus 912.5. So we'll get 2000. 662.5. Since the maximum family is 40, lies in the class 1500 into 2000. This is the required model class. Lower boundary L 1500, F1 40, F0 24, F2 is equal to 33, H is equal to 500, which is the difference of class interval. Now substituting the values. So 1500 plus 40 minus 24 into 500. So 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33. So 40 minus 24 I will get 16. 2 into 40 80. I will get 57 into 500. So 1500 plus 16 by 23 into 500. 16 500s are 8000. So 1500 plus 8000 by 23. Now calculate 88,000 by 23. I'll get 347.8. So I'm writing like this. So 1500 plus 347.8, which gets 1847.8. So fourth question is also same model which we discussed in the previous question. We can take any model of mean, either a simple mean or step deviation or assumed mean method. Whichever you like, you can take for your convenience only. (23) divisible by 7 will get 3.28. 32.5 minus 3.28 will get 29.22. Hence the result, which is the mean value. Now calculating mode. So 10 lies between 30 and 35. So L is 30, F0 is 10. Sorry, F1 is 10, F0 is equal to 9, and F2 is equal to 3. H is equal to 5. Here is the formula. Now substituting the values. 10 minus 9, 1. 20 minus 12 will get 8. 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 divisible by 0.625 times. So 30 plus 0.625 is equal to 30.625. So final result is mode states student teacher ratio 29.222. On average this ratio is 30.625. Children, you have any doubts, please WhatsApp to my number 9063254901 or subscribe my YouTube channel Naveen's Maths and press the bell icons. Hope you enjoy the session. Have a nice day.